Hello guys, I am Himansu from WP Township and today I will show you a step-by-step process on how to create a sticky menu on your WordPress site. So here you can see that we have a menu over here, and what does a sticky menu means? When we will scroll down, I need this entire menu should be sticky so that I can this menu should be visible to me whenever I will completely scroll down to my entire website. So for that we need to use a plugin which is entirely free, and we can use that plugin to make this entire header sticky. So first of all we have to install this plugin to make our header sticky. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. Thank you. So now let's start installing the plugin. So first of all, to install a plugin, as I have already told you, we have to go inside the WordPress dashboard. So how we can do that one? So to go to the WordPress dashboard, you have to type your website name /wp-admin, and then it will redirect you to the WordPress dashboard. And here you have to enter your username and password to go inside your dashboard. So let me quickly enter my username and password here. So now here you can see that now I am inside my WordPress dashboard. So here what I have to do, hover over this appearance, and then you will get this themes, but we have to install a plugin. So hover over this plugins, and then you will get this add new option. So click on that add new, and then from here we can install a plugin. So let's install the plugin. The plugin which we are going to use is my sticky menu. So here what I will do, I will search here my sticky menu, and let's see what we are getting. So once you will search here for my sticky menu, so this is the plugin that we are going to use, floating notification bar sticky menu by Premium. So let me quickly install this. To install this, click on this install now, and then let's wait till it's installed. So here you can see now it is installed. So let me click on activate button to activate this plugin. So once you will activate this plugin, you will get one new item with my sticky menu. So here you can see that now I am in this my sticky menu, and to make your this entire menu sticky, you have to go to this sticky menu setting. So click on that sticky menu setting, and you are now in this sticky menu. So there are two options to make your menu sticky. So here you can like sticky class. So here you can select your menu. So like here I have a main menu. If you will hover over this appearance and go to your menu, whatever menu name you have given, as you can see my menu name is main menu, that's why I have selected this main menu, and then you have to click on this save changes. Once you will click on the save changes, then you have to refresh the page, and now you can see still it's not working. Why? Because some of the themes are not supporting this my sticky menu. That's why you cannot directly select this main menu. So there is another way how we can use this sticky menu. So by here you can see other class or ID. So here we have to give a class name or ID. So how we can do that one? So as I have built this entire header in my Elementor page builder, so what I will do, I will just hover over this appearance, and here you will get this Elementor header and footer builder. So from here only I have designed my header. So you can see my header. So what I will do, I will click on this edit with Elementor, and my Elementor page builder will be loaded. So once your Elementor page builder will be loaded, you have to go to this section setting, and in advanced tab you will get this CSS ID or CSS class. So here you can give a custom CSS ID or a CSS class. So what I will do, I will give it a name service for sticky header. So let me give it a name service for sticky header, and then I will click on update. So once you will click on this update, so now what I will do, now let's go to our page and refresh it. So you can cross verify it by right click on your header and just click on inspect, and when you will select your entire header, you will get a class name with the name which we have given. Here you can see we have given an ID service for sticky header. So this is the ID we need. So we have applied our ID to the header. Now let's make it sticky. So how we can make it sticky? So for that again we have to go to this sticky header setting, and here like other class or ID. So here I have given an ID. So ID should be with hash mark, and then whatever ID name I have given, I have to do that. And now when I will click on save, and then let's go back to our site and refresh it. So when you will refresh it, let's scroll down. So here you can see that now my header is visible, but you can notice like the background color is not matching to our site. So what I can do now, I can go here and you will get this all of these settings like sticky transition time, sticky opacity, sticky text color, sticky background color. So let me change the background color. So for ease, let me select this blue color or any color from here, and then I will click on save. And now let's go back to our site and refresh it. So now when you will refresh this page and scroll down, let me again refresh it. Okay, it is not changed here. So now when I will scroll down, so here you can see that my sticky header is visible. So here you can like entirely change the color of your background, and then if you want to increase your opacity, like if you don't want to give any opacity, you can change it and click on save. So now let me refresh the page, and here when I refresh the page, here you can see it is not working, right, because I have used one cache. So here what I will do, I will clear my cache, and then here now when I scroll down, you can see my header is sticky. So now let's check how it is visible in our mobile view. So I will click on this inspect and then go to the mobile view. Let me select a large mobile, and this is how it looks like. So you can click on these three lines and you will get all your menus, and when you will scroll down, you will get the entire header should be in sticky. So with this, we have completely achieved our goal that we need to achieve, like we need this sticky header. So in some themes, like if you will here you can see the theme which I have used here is Hello Elementor, but in your case, if your theme support this my sticky menu, then you can directly go to this sticky menu setting, and in your sticky menu setting you can directly select the menu name that you want to make it sticky, and your menu will be sticky. So thank you so much for watching this video till now.